This is the XSense Wi-Fi Smart Carbon Monoxide Detector, the XC0C-iR. This was sent to me for review, but everything I say in this video is going to be my own opinion. Nice packaging. Inside the package, you are going to get the unit itself that has a 10-year lifespan on it. You get some mounting hardware if you want to mount this to the wall, but there's little feet on the bottom here, which is kind of cool, so you can actually just place it on a flat surface if you want to. You get a mounting template, which is nice. You just put this up wherever you want to mount it, put the screws through here, tear it off, and then you can put it on your screws and you're good to go. You get a replaceable CR123A battery, and you get the instructions, which are great here because there's actually a QR code in here that you can scan to download the app, and they tell you everything you want to know. When you set this up, it's pretty easy with the app. It just walks you through it. So it's pretty compact at about 5.5 inches this way, 3 inches this way, a little under an inch. And just to let you know, it must be connected to the XSense app via a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. It does not work with the base station, Wi-Fi only. Let's see how easy it is to connect up. I'll do a little screenshot here. So we're going to press the plus button here. We're going to go to carbon monoxide alarms. We're going to go to Wi-Fi CO alarms, and we're going to pick the model number here, which is the XC0C-iR. It's going to ask you to name it. I've already got all that stuff named because I have XSense stuff. Then it just gives you the instructions here. Remove the back cover from the device. Make sure the battery's in right. So they've given us the battery. It beeps. You can see it's flashing blue here. That tells us that we're in pairing mode. So it says press and hold the test silence button for 5 seconds until it flashes blue. Operation confirmed. So it sees the alarm right there. So I'm going to hit that. So it's going to ask you for your Wi-Fi network to put all that information in. It's searching for the device. It found it. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Hold on, and finish. All right, easy as that. All right, so show you how easy it is to test here. Just press the button. It goes through a little test on there. We can see on here that it has given us a notification. You can see in the app here where you can set up all the different things that you want to set up. And I can go through your event history here. And we can see we've tested it 3 times in here. Easy to see. You can see immediately when you open up the device that you've got, you know, what your readings are, 0 parts per million. I can see the Wi-Fi connection, and we can see the battery life on here. And you can see on here that there is a device sharing feature for other family members if that's something that you want to set up. Got a peak button on here. You can see in the instruction book here the different levels that's going to set the alarm off. It's 70 parts per million for 60 to 240 minutes. It sets an alarm off. It has a nice backlit display on it. This makes it easy to read the CO levels. It's got a 4-color LED indicator to show you the status. You're going to have red for alarm, yellow for fault or low battery, green for power. And you can see it was blue when it was in pairing mode. What's great about having these types of devices connected via Wi-Fi in an app is that you get instant notifications and real-time alerts on your phone if there's an issue. Very nice.